Hello everyone. In this video, I will create a cover for a junk journal using scrapbooking paper. This cover will have a tie closure made with this ribbon. I use this type of cover quite often in my journals. They're quick and easy and very versatile. My name is Laura and I'm from the Queen of Mirth. I'm also very grateful to be here with you today doing what I really love to do. So let's get started. This is the basic junk journal that I'm going to be making a cover for. I have not bound it at all, but I've actually, I'll just show you. I've gathered together a variety of papers and things. It's upside down, obviously, but nonetheless, this is it. Upside down, right side up is okay, because I never, at least because I'm not actually using this part today. I just wanted to show you. And this is the cover that I'm going to use to create the cover and it's made from an old file folder that I had lying around. So let's get going here. I think I'll just maybe put this up here out of the way. Now, the first thing, now I'm using scrapbooking paper for this project. I like it for covers because it's nice and thick and beautiful. And okay, so what I want to do is this is the inside of the cover, and I just simply want to glue these pages down. Obviously, I have cut them to size already to save time in the video. Now, I'm going to use art glitter glue, and I don't like globs of it, so that glob is going to go. It's very important always to get the corners and the edges and not to make it too globby. And this is a nice glue, this art glitter glue. Although I don't know if I'll buy it again. I've mentioned this before. It's very pricey, and I find that there are other glues that are less expensive that are working just as well for me. But this glue actually comes all the way from New Zealand, where it's made. So I kind of think that in terms of environmental issues, it's not the greatest choice for me. But everybody has their own ideas and their own things that they want to use and that they love. So I just tell you what is good for me. I'm not trying to tell you that you have to agree with me or use everything I use. I think you should use what you have, actually, and what you love, and keep yourself informed about the different things that are available. Now, I just want to make sure this is right to the corner here. There. I mean, not the corner, but the edges, the top and the bottom. There. I have adhered the two pieces of scrapbooking paper to the inside front and back cover. Now I'm going to do a little bit of distressing. There. Now I'm going to start working on the outside cover. I'm going to use this. Which is also cut to size. It's pretty, isn't it? This is going to go this way to cover that up, and it's also going to form a pocket, kind of a pocket, what do you call that, a tuck spot on the inside. So I want the whole front to be glued down very securely. As well as the edge. And then on this side, I simply want to have it on the edges, so I can tuck things inside. I'm getting excited here about this because I think it's going to be nice. I have that really good feeling that I get when I'm working on things like this. Now look at this. I think I have, see this? I have a little space there, so but I'll be able to fix that later. It's not a problem. Now see, it goes like this, and things can tuck in. Yeah. I want to make sure that it's going to stay. Now I'm going to do the same with this side. Now see, there's a little space kind of there. We want to let it have a little bit of give, so I don't actually put glue right in the crease here. It needs a little bit of freedom. So we're coming right along. Now I'm going to go off camera to do this part here. It'll be identical to this one that you watched me do. And then I will come back and we'll do the closure. Thank you. See you in a few minutes. Well, my friends, I'm back now, and I have made the back cover the same as the front cover. And I'll show you how I can put something in here. It's a little tuck spot, and the back is just fixed very tightly against the cover. So here we are. I'm going to now make the closure. Now what I have is just a botanical card, and I have distressed the edges using Ranger Distress ink, and this is called something walnut. I swear I cannot read that. Anyway, here we go. So what I need to do is get my ribbon, which I've already cut. And I want it to be pretty much even on the front and the back. So I just put it around like this, flat, and pretty much in the middle where I think it looks good. I think this is pretty good. Okay. And we want it to be the same on both sides. You know, to come out the front and the back, the same spot, and it's not twirling around or anything. It's flat, and I think that's pretty good. Okay, so simple. All I really need to do is to affix it this way. So the first thing I want to do is glue the ribbon down a little bit. So it's going to go there. Now, I'll have this about like that. So I don't want to have the glue go where I want the ribbon to be able to be flexible. So I think that this will work. So now I've got the ribbon stuck down. And I will now just glue this over top. I like this card quite a lot. And like I said, it'll go well with my botanical theme. Yeah. Things are very quiet at my place today. I live with my grandson, who's 26 right now. He's going to be 27 in March. And he's at work, so I'm here by myself. It gives me a good opportunity to make a video when it's quiet. So here we go. I don't have my bone folder with me today. I thought I would just use the large part of my scissors to burnish this, or to make it really fastened down. Now the next one is just the same actually, and only the ribbon is going in an opposite direction. And first of all, I'll do what I did with the front. I will oh dear, I didn't mean to do that. Yeah, I don't want this to be, okay, it's fine now, I think. I don't want the glue to go so far. I should really have only done the middle end toward the back. You don't want it too tight around the back, around the spine. A little bit of flexibility is important because the journal will be a bit chunky. In fact, it might be a lot chunky, who knows. Once I get going on it, I might get, it might be a little chunkiness out of control. So, which does not bother me, but I don't like it to make too much wear and tear on my journal and the spine. There. This is like an old-fashioned cabbage rose, I think. So beautiful. Now, see, this will tie around beautifully. And another thing I want to do is to do a little distressing around the book itself. So let's do that. Now this is what the journal will look like once it is bound. I'm not binding it today. It will be like this. How nice is this going to be? I'm so happy with it. Okay, now all I do is I just bring this around this way and this way. And then I tie it. There. How wonderful is that? I should have made this flat around, but it's just wonderful. I love it. It's so pretty, and it'll be a useful junk journal. A lot of the images in this junk journal will be botanical, kind of old-fashioned botanical, and then I'll have to decide how I want to fill it up with, what I want to write in it. So thank you so much for being with me today. I appreciate it very much. I'm loving what I'm doing, and I hope that you're enjoying my videos. Please subscribe to my channel and press the like button if you like this video. Let me know what you think in the comments, and hopefully you'll come back and see me soon. Bye.